Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use DeepSeek for your homework or assignments. So first I'm gonna show you how to use it for maths. So you can just give it a problem and then tell it to solve it. And DeepSeek is really good at maths, so it will just solve it. You can see it writes it with mathematical characters, and it gives you all the required steps, not only the answer. So this is how it works. And it has given me the final answer. So this is how it looks. And so now let's go to any other thing, like for example writing an essay. And you can see it also generates it, and you can use it for any other things, like for example you can give it another question, for example, and now it will also generate the response in a moment. And this is how it creates it, so you can also use that for it, or like for history, for example, give me all, and now it'll give me the response about history. I'm gonna regenerate it because it took too long for that, so maybe this time it'll take shorter. Yes, as you can see. Okay, so it crashed, but it is possible to use that, but unfortunately the service is quite busy right now, so yes, this is all. Or you can also do more than what I've shown you, but these are the main things that you can do to help yourself with your assignments at school with DeepSeek. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.